Hi guys, welcome to Bella's Bargains. My name is Amy. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. If it's your second, third, or maybe you're here all the time, thanks again. I love you guys so much for watching. So today is Themed Thursdays. If you're new to my channel, let me just tell you what I do. I do Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree upscales, Dollar Tree DIYs, Dollar Tree food reviews, everything Dollar Tree. It's $1, people, $1. And today is Theme Thursdays. And Theme Thursdays is where I do DIYs and upscales with a theme. So today's theme is garlands. I made a couple of Valentines garlands, and I hope you really like them. And I tried something new today, too, which maybe next Thursday I'll do a theme and I'll make it gnomes. I've only made like one gnome, but I've never made a sock gnome. And I made a sock gnome. But what I tried to do was make a gnome without cutting the sock. So this is just one solid sock. And so I kind of gave him like a baseball hat brim with the heel of it. Anyway, let me know what you think. But I really like this. So it was just this is a first time attempt. I don't know. He's got little feet too. Can you guys see the little feet? Yeah. Anyway, so I was thinking maybe I would do some gnomes next Thursday. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. Anyway, so today is garlands and tomorrow is Foodie Friday. I started Foodie Friday last week. It was a whole lot of fun. So that's every Friday now I'll be doing Foodie Friday. So let's run through that. On Tuesdays, I do Totally Easy Tuesdays. And those are crafts for the person who can't craft. Because some of us really can't. And then I do themed Thursdays, and those are crafts that have a theme. So like today is garlands. Foodie Fridays, which is all Dollar Tree food, and I do some review and taste testing and comparisons and price comparisons and whatnot. And then on Saturday is my Dollar Tree shopping haul. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you really enjoyed these crafts. They were fun. My favorite, I think, is the first garland. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's my favorite. It's very natural tones. It's all natural tones, and I really, really like it. Although the second one was really cute, too. It's super easy. But anyway, thank you, guys. Have a great day, great week, a great life. Come back and see me again tomorrow for Foodie Friday, and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. This is a really easy banner. So I'm using the DIY banner from the party section and 2 packages of the heart grapevines and some of the nautical rope, which I've untwisted. And when you untwist it, you get a good thick piece of rope. And I've cut 10 14-inch lengths. And I'm just gonna take those lengths and tie them onto the hearts and then onto the banner. So it's really simple, and it's gonna look very like old farmhouse natural kind of look. After I strung them on, I decided I should probably knot them to keep them where I want. So I'm going to actually unravel about half of these, because there's 6 total. And then, and then I'm just gonna knot just on one side. You only need to knot on one side because of course it won't slide as long as you're knotted there. So I'm gonna knot that. I'm gonna double knot it. Then I'm gonna weave this back through. And it looks like approximately 4 inches, or maybe it's 5 inches, is about what, yeah, it's like 5 inches between them. It's about right for the banner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with all of them so that then I get them to stay. And the other thing that I'm gonna do is fray these. So you just pull some of this stuff off and it frays them a little bit, and I kind of like the way that's gonna look. Again, I'm really going for that natural sort of look. And so you can see there. So that's about how I want it. And you can just do this like however, fray it as much as you want or as little as you want. And then basically what I'm gonna do is take these hearts and tie them on here. I could just hot glue them on. I don't know, we're gonna wait and see. Let me finish putting the banner together and then we'll look at that. All right, so what I've decided to do is just to hot glue these down. And I'm just gonna put some glue on it. And I kind of like them like this, so not straight. And then I took my pieces of rope that I cut and I knotted the ends like this. Knotted the ends and then just tied a bow. Oops. Just a regular shoelace bow. And I'm going to be putting those, I have one done here, on the hearts right there. Oh, I want to get glue on my... And then they sell the stickers at the Dollar Tree, and they're wood cutouts and their sticker. And I really like the natural wood color, and I'm gonna stick that in there. It comes with a sticky, but it's not gonna stay. So I'm gonna add some hot glue on that and put that right in the center. And there you go. And then I'm just gonna finish the rest of the garland, and I think it's gonna be really cute and very natural looking, not the reds and pinks and whatnot of Valentine's like normal. All right, we'll come back and see that all done. So got those all done and they look really good. By the way, I backed them with cardboard as I was gluing so they wouldn't stick to the table. And I think this garland is so cute. I really love the way this looks. But there's only 6 squares on those, and there's a total of 10 hearts when you open up 2 packages. And so I'm going to add a heart down to on each end. And I thought I was gonna, anyway, I guess what I'm gonna do is just go through the end, which I looped. And I'm just gonna tie it in a knot. Like that on both sides. So it ends with a hanging thing just on the end. And that's it. And I think it came out really cool. This can go all kinds of places. So I don't really have a fireplace, so I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it right now, but I'll find someplace. This is a garland from a garland. So I got this 6-foot garland at the Dollar Tree and some of their felt stickers and a couple of their ribbons. And what I'm gonna do is just embellish this slightly and make it a little more festive. It's kind of, I mean, it's not a bad garland all on its own. They had one that was also pink and red. Every other heart was a pink color. Anyway, this is pretty traditional red color here. So I think what I'm going to do is take the ribbon and add some ribbon embellishments in between the hearts and possibly add some pink hearts onto some of the red. Let's go. This is going to be a garland using these heart containers. Some of the heart confetti. Sorry, it's spilled right here. Maybe some of the wood hearts that say love and happy Valentine's Day. I'm not yet sure. And I think I'm going to use the baker's twine. I have sort of this pinkish red one. So first thing I'm going to do is actually take these hearts. They come with little Happy Valentine's Day tags and some twine themselves, which I will be using in the project. But I'm going to take each one of the hearts and I'm going to put some confetti in it and I'm going to glue them shut so that it's permanently like that. And I'm just going to do it with just a little bit of hot glue. I hope this will work. You know, you never know until you try if something's going to work. So let's see if this works. We hope. All right. I'm just going to, boom, put that on. Wipe off this little excess right there. What I really wanted to do was to wrap the hearts with this twine, but there's not quite enough of it. So, 2 does 1 though. Looks really pretty like that. I might see if I have something. Anyway, that does hold it together. So there I have it. So first I'm going to fill all of those with the confetti. Okay, so I got those all glued and filled, and now I am going to take some of these felt stickers, and they're the hearts with sort of the jewels on them, and put them in each one. And then I'm just going to use this leftover ribbon from the last one as the basis for my garland. And I'm going to tie the hearts on and then tie them on here. This should be fairly easy. So basically, I'm going to take the heart, stick the jewel heart on there, put the twine twine through, which this is the twine that came with them. But I'm knotting the ends because it gives it a more finished look. So now I've knotted both ends of that. And then I'm going to basically tie this in a knot. All right, so like that. And then as I come through with my ribbon, I'm actually going to knot the ribbon. Just like that. All right, so I'm gonna add the rest of them on there. So here it is, all done. Actually, I think it looks really cute. I love how the confetti is in the bottom of these. So I really think it's, rather than a garland, it's sort of like, not like a hanging garland, it's more like a placing garland, like that you would put around some other stuff. So anyway, I think it's cute.